Yes, okay, good day. Today I'm going to install pfSense 2.6.0 stable version. I have here the installer, bootable installer and a flash drive. This is the computer that will host the software. This is an HP 6200 PC. Yep. So I'm gonna go into insert the installer now. By the way, this PC I have added additional NIC. This one with two Ethernet interfaces, and then we have also the built-in NIC of the computer. So all in all, we have three network interfaces. This will be the firewall management, this will be for the WAN, and this is for the LAN. Okay, so this is a box of the host computer. Okay, so I have this connected to this monitor, keyboard and mouse, so I can see the output and the inputs of this installation. So without very much ado, let's power it on. So press the power now. As you can see with lights. Let's go to our monitor. Just press escape on the keyboard. As you can see, we are now in the startup menu. I'm going to boot options, boot menu, and then I'm gonna go into select legacy, boot sources, and generic flash drive. So please bear in mind that installing the pfSense, it isn't FreeBSD, so it works on legacy. Okay, and then hit enter to proceed, and there she goes. Now as you can see, the pfSense installation is has been mounted. Let's go for auto boot. All right. Yep, installation has been started. It's a copyright and distribution notice. We're in 36% of the installation process. I'm going to accept the terms, and then in here, welcome to pfSense. We have three options: install pfSense, and also we have options for recovery. We have rescue shell, so launch shell for rescue operations, and then recovery config, XML recovery config. This is a configuration, so whenever your configuration has been corrupted for the pfSense, so you can boot this installer and fix the config file. Alright, so in this case, we're just going to select install, since we're going to install pfSense on this computer. Okay, then we are prompted for the keymap selection. I'm gonna go into select the default one. I'm not interested in changing the keyboard mapping, so default. Then it says partitioning, so would you like to partition your desk? I'm gonna go for O2 guided root on ZFS. Okay, hit enter, and then in here, ZFS partitioning configure options, install, select, and then this is the configuration of your storage. So it could be strip, now redundancy, mirror, RAID 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna go select for strip. Select the disk. ADA0 is the hard drive, and then generic flash. So we're going to install this software on our hard drive, so this one, it's okay. Then ZFS configuration. Last chance, are you sure you want to destroy the current contents of the following disk? ADA0, yes. I'm gonna go select yes and hit OK. Yo, as you can see, started the destroying the partition of the drive. It says manual configuration. Installation is now finished. Before the installation, would you like to open shell in the new system to make final manual modification? No. Enter. The shell is operating in C root in the new system. When finished, making configuration, change type, exit. Okay. Exit. Installation of pfSense complete. Would you like to reboot into the system? Yes. So after we click reboot, we're going to unplug the installer so that it won't boot again on the installation process, and the computer will boot on the hard drive which the pfSense has been installed. Alright, so reboot. Yo, let's get on. Let's get a USB flash disk. Okay. Let's wait if it boots on the pfSense. Yo, there you go. It boot up. So as you can see, I have the installer now here. Okay. Alright. Nice. Can I just wait for a while for the installation process to be finished? Sys configuration, configuring LAN interface, and configuring WAN interface. Alright. Starting DNS resolver. Bootstrapping clock. Again, 3 buttons and X. Synchronized an idea, right? NTP server, configure firewall, HTTP v6, HTTP. Yo, what a complete. So we have our WAN interface EM0, and then LAN is IGB1. EM0 is the built-in NIC. So this one would be the WAN, and then this side would be the LAN. Alright, so okay. So we have options here. 0 for logout, SSH only. 1, assign interfaces. 2, set interfaces IP address. Reset web configurator. Reset to factory defaults. Reboot system. Host system. Ping. Shell. Enable secure shell. Store. I'm gonna go into it's gonna go into enable secure shell. This one. SSH number 14, so that we can access it through the PATI or secure CRT. Let's type in 14. Oh, 14. Would you like to enable SSHD? Yes. Okay. Alright, so what about let's try to have assign interfaces. 1. So WAN interfaces. So do VLANs need to be set up first? VLANs will not be used or only for optional interface. It is typical to say no. I don't want to configure VLAN, so I said no. Come on. Enter the WAN interface's name or A for auto detection. Okay. Yeah. EM0. 0 for R1. Enter. the LAN interface name or A for auto detection. LAN interface name. LAN interface. I'm gonna go for IGB0. IGB0. Enter the optional 1 interface name or A for auto detection. Yeah, IGB1. This will be our management. Yo. So we have one LAN and OPT1 interfaces. So by default, the IP address of pfSense is 192.168.1.1. As you can see on that, the LAN IP address is 192.168.1.1. Unless we're going to change this one later on when we have the correct IP assignment on network address of this setup. So let's go to the web UI. So I'm gonna get the display, this PC, since I'll be moving to another computer for the configuration. Okay, so the setup of this is good. Let's put it down in here. And then let's use this system unit to configure the graphical user interface. Okay, so I have now the peripherals connected. Just need cable, patch cord. So I have the cable connected on the computer that we're going to access the web GUI, and then this one connected to our NIC. So let me guess what interface is the IGB01. Let's try. Which kasi is detected. It's assigned interface in our PC. Let's go to the PC now.